Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy YouTube channel, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 9th of October 2024. Uh, for my viewers, for my dear viewers, I just want to inform you before I start this webinar that this is going to be I will be taking a break from here today. I'll be doing this last webinar, and thereafter I'll be returning back on 24th of this month, 24th of October, and I'll be taking a break till then, 15 to 16 days of break. Okay, in between this time I will not be able to stream, and today I'll tell you the levels which will be of interest in the coming days. So please keep eyes on those levels. And for those who are new, let me introduce myself. My name is Rakesh. I'm the Dukas Copies trading community member. I'm not their employee, so therefore whatever I'm going to tell you here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. It is my own independent analysis, and I'll be only discussing about the price action. And in the process, I'll be marking the key levels from where the price can reverse in case of the major currency pairs. Okay, so before I start the session, I must also inform you that there is a certain risk that is involved when you trade the forex, because it is traded on margin using the leverage. Please understand the risk. I'll be flashing the risk disclaimer in some time. Here is the risk disclaimer. And also, before I show you the charts, I must tell you that I'm not here to give you any trading advice. This can be seen as an education or entertainment, but not as a trading advice. Okay, please understand how these levels are going to work, or how they have worked in the past. You can go through these 4 paragraphs of the risk. It explains everything. Okay, so please move on to the charts only when you have understood this. You can pause the video here if you want. I'll be using the J Forex charts to explain you everything, and I'll start with the dollar index here. Okay, now those who are with me every day, they must know what we are till now, but now I will explain it, because this is my last day today, at least in this week or the next. So I'll try to explain everything, and it will take a little more time. In the process, if you find that this webinar is useful for you and it is giving you some value, so please smash that like button which is below the video. And if you want, you can share it with your friends also who want to learn how to use the levels and the fair value. Okay, so this is the dollar index 1-day chart. You can see, if we have to trade the forex, we need to know where the dollar is going. So from here, we ascertain that the dollar is going up. Why? Because this swing high, this was taken out. We were looking for buys and buys only. Now, to what extent we are looking for buys? We are looking for buys till 103.33. Why it cannot go beyond that? Because we have a big fair value gap, and there has been a consequent encroachment rejection from here. Okay, from the midpoint of that, there was a rejection. So it is important, so the price can go here and come back. Okay, this is our expectation. On the way up now, there is I will say no resistance whatsoever, at least on the daily chart. It will keep going up at least till the low of this fair value gap, that is 102.98. This is one thing. So what we are expecting, we are expecting US dollar to go up. So where will be pound going? Well, the pound will be going back. Now on the way down, we'll be looking for 1.3001 to be taken out. If that is taken out and the price trades below this, then we can look for the lower prices, that is 1.2664. But if it does not trades below and closes below this 1.3001, then we will be looking for the higher prices in this market. As of now, it is a downtrending market, and we are looking for the lower prices in this one. The euro is even I'll say now more bearish than the pound. The pound was bearish earlier. The euro was not giving up any gains, but see now the pound has stopped here, or you can say this elevation or this fall has been tapering down. Now there is a possibility that the price will go up from here, but euro is accelerating for the downside. It has also given us a fair value gap, traded that fair value gap, and boom, now 1.0881 is what I'm looking for in the euro. On the upside, if the price starts going up, then 1.1083 I'm looking for as the resistance. On the downside, there is a possibility of the price to slow down a bit around 1.0881. Why? Because there's the last fair value gap. This is a very important gap. If the price comes to this value, this level, I think it will get a rejection from there to the upside. So point of interest for me is 1.0888, which I would like to see to the tomorrow or maybe day after. If the price for some reason starts going up, then first value of resistance is 1.0949, and thereafter, because now we have another low, so this will also be acting as a resistance, 1.0997. Okay, Australian dollar is also giving up some gains, but I am not I'm not afraid of dollar giving up, Australian dollar giving up gains, because I want it to come back to this fair value gap and give me another entry to the upside. Let's see if that happens or not. But looking at this price action, it is a bearish engulfing which has engulfed the price of 23rd of September. Okay, sorry, this is a weekly candle. My bad, guys, my bad. So, but still on the weekly, you can see that the last week has engulfed, so this week was bearish. Okay, that is understood. One thing. On the daily, I will continue. Okay, in the daily, it has given us a fair value gap, has traded that fair value gap, is giving us a red. That means the price is going down now. This is the fair value gap which may stop the price because it has not been closed. So this gap has not been closed properly. You see, there is a small gap left. So if the price comes here, it may again stop the price from going down. Although it has closed below the middle point of this, if not, I'm right, no, the mid, it has closed higher than the midpoint, so it is still important level. The price can reverse from here, but on the way up there is a fair value gap which the price has traded and give us a bearish candle. That is signifying that the price is going to drop at least till this fair value gap. Okay, so where is the resistance, guys? Now these levels are now your resistance. These levels you can remove from the charts. Okay, what about the New Zealand dollar? Wow, what a sell off. So this is a great price action. This see this symmetrical triangle. First it broke to the downside, then it broke to the upside, came in, broke to the upside again, and now again it has come. So that means it is not respecting this pattern. So those who are pattern trader, they might be not very happy. Now this liquidity is taken. First this liquidity was taken, the price reversed, and now this liquidity is taken, it has reversed even from there. So there is more possibility of the price going even to the more sell off is possible, I think, in this one. The only problem which can happen, or I would say, if the price has to give us a green candle, it can give us a green candle over here, because this is a large fair value gap that the price that can stop the price from going down. So we'll keep these marks here till 23rd of October, and when I return back on 24th, we will see how the price behaved here. Okay, USD CHF final a breakout, but I told you that even if it breaks out from here, this fair value gap would be a huge resistance for the price. Now I would like to see the price to go like this. If it goes up like this and comes back to this area, then this can be used as an inverse value gap to the target of 0.8749 and beyond. So I'll be very happy to trade it above this fair value gap. What about the USD CAD? Need not to mention, we told about this, that if the price goes and closes the day above this, then it will be boom. But it never gave you an opportunity to go long in this one. Okay, so the now resistance is 1.3739. In fact, this fair value gap can be, okay, so this can be your value of resistance. 1.3781 is the potential target on this one. USD JPY 149.20 is where the price is trading right now. Although the previous high here was this previous high is taken out. Okay, this previous high was 149.39, and today the price has made a high of 149.297. Okay, so it has not made the high higher than this. Although this high is taken, but this high is not taken. So we are below the resistance. There is a possibility that the price will go up and come down again. But on the low time frames, I have noticed that the price is not able to go beyond that. See, on the low time frame, I have seen that the price is getting rejected from these levels. So let us see how the things unfold. But beyond 149.39, I think there is nothing that can stop the price. Let me check that. So the next thing that can stop the price is here, which is very far. The low of that area is around 150.87. So that is huge. There's a huge run possible beyond 139.40. Sorry, 149.40. There's a huge move that is possible. Bitcoin. I'm not surprised that Bitcoin is giving a lot of red candles here, and I'll be very happy if it closes below this fair value gap, because after that the possibility of rising will be less. If the price gives a clean close below this fair value gap, which I have marked right now, then it will be very easy for the price to drop to 6,583. About the Brent, in Brent, you see this only this fair value gap is providing the support and resistance to the price. But even if you remove it, I will say you remove it. Now we have another fair value gap here, which has been closed completely. The day has not closed. 10 hours 39 minutes are still pending, and if we can close above the 50% of this, which is I think less likely, then we can expect an up move from here. Otherwise, if we cannot close above the 50% of that, this will be your potential area of support. Okay, let us see how the things unfold when the price comes here. Gold, I think, will go down now. Only we need a close below this fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap that the price made, or the first fair value gap that the price made on the upside. Now on the downside, this is the last one. Anytime the price closes below 2595, I think it will be it will go below that. 2547 it can reach. Euro JPY, I'm not trading this market, sorry. Why I'm not trading this market? Because the yen pairs are going higher, whereas euro is going lower, so I'm not willing to trade such market. GBP AUD here, finally pound looks like is gaining some momentum. Although the market structure is still south only, we need to break above these highs of 1.9604. Once we do that, then we can look for the buying opportunities. CHF, JPY, everything is a buy in the yen pairs, but euro I'm not willing to buy. Now you see how clearly this was the last fair value gap. Once the price broke above this, then there is no coming back. See. What about the Audi New Zealand? We are looking for 1.1058 is what we were looking for actually when I was looking at this fair value gap. After trading this, boom, created another fair value gap, traded that fair value gap, boom. Has no fair value gap here although, but still I'm looking for this liquidity, these highs to be taken. 1.1167 now. Okay. Gas has taken all the targets that we were looking for except 3.164. Now it has again come back to trade this fair value gap. 50% of this is trying to stop the price. If it fails, then I think this last fair value gap will be a potential support area for the price to send it up again. That's it. Okay. So don't look for selling opportunities, look for buying opportunities when the price comes to this level again. Euro CAD, we are looking for selling opportunities in this one. The price has again reached the fair value gap here. I'm looking for a huge sell-off here with a target of 1.4576. Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, it is failing at the fair value gap. Potential fall here. There is a potential of falling back to 2117 fast and very fast. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I would love to answer your questions if you have any. All right, since you don't have any questions, I hope you know about the levels of support and resistance that may be of some importance in this week and the next week. And my request to you is that do not risk the entire capital on any single trade, and risk less than 1% on any one trade. Okay, and because there is always a next trading day, and if you are looking for a trade, look for a potential profit of 3 times with respect to your risk that you are taking. This will make you profitable in the longer run if you have even 50% of the winning rate. Okay, now please press the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care. See you on 24th of October again. Bye bye. Till then. Bye bye.